Pilate therefore said unto him, Art thou a king then? Jesus answered, Thou sayest that I am a king. To this end was I born, and for this cause came I into the world, that I should bear witness unto the truth. Everyone that is of the truth heareth my voice. May God bless you. Amen. Tin pilatana nena chu lal ini elo atia isuan ni lal kani asin thutak shetir hi ka pian chan le khovela karon kal chan ani tu po thutakami apiengin ka thuan pom thin atia tharau thiang him zara thutakami te kan ni lalpan mal som chero se amen.